Hey yo, what's up today, loyalists? My name is Aaron. We're gonna react to J.R.R. Tolkien versus George R.R. Martin epic rap battles of history. Now, this is my first reaction to it because I usually watch some of the rap battles over MTV or is it VH1, something like that. But anywho, let's get right into the video. If you guys comment down below, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into it.
Trolls in your soldier house, and your ants and your orcs and your wars and your stains, your doors and cam drains. Cause there's a door into every lord in the ring. My readers falling up with every character
Okay.
I've written, and I kill them. And they're like, what? Good guys survive. We can tell what's gonna happen. A page in age 5. We'll see how to find some sex in your movie.
Oh.
Cast a couple of
It's like Robert Hood, something like that. Some old computer in the 80s, probably. Oh. 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 Yo. Oh. No. No. No way he went there. Okay. I don't know who won, but I'm gonna go with George R.R. Martin, something like that. But seriously, I never knew he did Game of Thrones on HBO. But you know what? I think I never watched any of these Game of Thrones. I gotta watch it. Probably on. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna watch it on TV sooner or later. So anywho, hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Deuces.